Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure your phone has service and voicemail is enabled on your plan. Open the phone app now. If you have a visual voicemail app, launch that instead. Once done, either tap the voicemail tab or press and hold one to call your carrier's voicemail number. You do this because calling the voicemail system authenticates you and lists new messages. If prompted, enter your PIN. If you never set one, follow the carrier prompts to create it before continuing. You're now in the mailbox. Press play to hear the newest message and use the on-screen controls to pause or rewind if you missed something. Make sure to switch to speaker or a headset if you need privacy or clarity. Once you've listened, decide to delete, save, or flag the message. Saving keeps it in your visual voicemail app or downloads an audio file to your device. This organization helps prevent losing important information and makes follow-up easier. Finish by ending the voicemail call or closing the app. Verify messages are marked as read or move to saved. If you don't see new messages, make sure call forwarding to voicemail is active and your voicemail PIN is correct, because misconfigured forwarding or a wrong PIN blocks delivery. If playback errors continue, restart your phone, toggle airplane mode, then test again. Finally, call your carrier's support if problems persist. Often they
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.